Z wants to check on his active repair contract. He can easily use the Repair Order portal to see all the information. In the Contracts tab, Z can see all contracts under his account. In the overview, basic information such as start and end date of the coverage are listed. In the header, Z can see general information regarding the contract. In the line items, Z can see the level of coverage of a specific device configuration. Details such as comprehensive coverage and commissioning can be viewed here. Each contract line covers a list of devices which is displayed in the Assets window. Thanks to Zebra's Repair Order portal, Z can keep track of his contracts and access all relevant information in one place. Manage your own repairs comfortably at your own time. Visit repair.zebra.com today.